Hey Strawberry, let's throw Gumball machine in the sea.
Okay.
Hey Gumball machine,
Oh, hey Poison.
me and Strawberry throw Yan in the sea.
I agree, Amy Poison. Wait, what? No, 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 no. Please no. I can swim.
Strawberry and Poison, how dare you throw my friend Gumball machine at the sea? That's it, I call latte in camera. No 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Strawberry, how dare you throw Gumball machine in the sea? That's it, I will change your voice into Ivy.
No, 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 no. My voice is Ivy.
Go to your room right now.
Oh my god, Poison, how dare you throw Gumball machine at the sea? That's it, I change your voice into Joanna. Go to your room now.